Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this bistro table that this brand sent to me for the video. Then I'm going to show it to you in two possible scenarios, but that's why I have these two chairs over here. But the bottom line, before I show it to you in a close-up, is this one goes up to 27.5 inches, and also it's about like 24 inches wide. So it has a really good amount of room for like two people having dinner, having lunch, or having drinks, or something like that. You can be standing, you can just be sitting in a regular chair like this one, for example, because as you're gonna see over here, let me actually try to do it this way because you need to put some pressure over here. But once that you do it, you can see this one, you can get it down. So that's why I think this could be really good just to have some regular talk or regular dinner or lunch or something with a regular chair. Or then you can actually lift it up just like that super easily and just use it for something like that or standing. Assemble, it's going to be super easy. It's not going to take you more than, I want to say probably 20 minutes, less than that. But this could be a really good one for a patio, a bar, a basement, or also something like a bar or a restaurant. So let's actually take a closer look. So I really like the base over there. Feels super, super stylish and modern for sure. And you have that long pole over there, which is going to take you all the way up and it's going to have room to put your feet. And then right here, you have the surface, which by the way, you can swivel. So that's another good thing to pass drinks to someone else on the other side of the table or something like that. So you can be standing over here, no issues at all. And then remember, as soon as I find the handle, which is right here, you need to push it a little bit and goes down just like that. So that can be for sitting, that can be for kids or something like that. Or for sure, like for a long, long, big cake, that could be another good thing. And then you push it kind of like the lever, actually, the handle, and that's gonna be it. So then you can see that this one, you can be sitting in some kind of a bar stool or something like that, but you don't have to. You can be sitting, you can be standing, you can put it down. 27 inches tall, easy to assemble, 24 inches wide, and of course swivel in a nice way to have drinks with friend, family, or just in a professional place as well. Like it, I give you a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you soon.